Okay, it's May 18th, 2007. And I'm going to see if I can start this 84 Cressida that's been buried in the forest since 2000. What a gem. First I got to pick it up and check the gas lines, oil pan, starter motor, check all that stuff is still not rusted through. Well, it's got 4 flat tires or else it's sunk into the mud. Grown right in. If anything will run, it's a Toyota. Oh, a nest. Stinks. Well, one door works anyways. Ugh. Pretty shitty. The hood's fucked too. Huh, only 246,000 kilometers. That's a spring chicken for a Toyota. Alright, let's see what's going to happen. Sure is handy to have a hoist in the middle of the forest. Right, Wolf? No bunny nest. Ooh. Oil pan's still okay. Serious holes in the frame. Obviously the fuel lines are leaking. Differential pot is leaking. The gas tank doesn't look like it's leaking. This car used to be so fast. Unbelievable. Alright. I got a battery in this forest pig. I got some plastic on the seat because there's busted glass. Can you read that? Looks like I need a key. See what happens. Oh, we have some life. There is some lights on. Oh yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, I can't believe this! Holy shit! Oh my god! The Toyota is amazing! The throttle stuck. I should have checked the fluids first. That's running on gas from the year 2000. Holy shit! This is the most amazing car I've seen in my life. Even the fuel lines are rusted out. Well, I'm gonna turn it off, check the fluids, and see if this thing will drive out of here. I bet it's all seized up. Tires are flat. Holy! It's just too amazing. All right, everybody in the world, buy a Toyota. This is the best Toyota commercial I've ever imagined. This thing fired up like it was running yesterday, and it hasn't been running since the summer of 2000.